If you are one of the many grillers out there that love having both the rich smoky flavor of a charcoal grill and the convenience and ease of use of a gas grill, you need to buy a hybrid grill. With the best hybrid grills, you get to enjoy the advantages and good features of both the gas and charcoal grills while also address some of their shortcomings. As the name suggests, the hybrid grills are a modern grill type designed to use both propane and charcoal. But, also note that hybrid is also often used to describe grills with both conventional and infrared burners. Today we are going to review top 5 hybrid grills of this year, and we are going to start our list with Smoke Hollow 8500 LP. The 42,000 BTUs that you get from the 8500 LP hybrid grill by Smoke Hollow is the third highest in our list, and so you can be confident that this grill will provide more than enough cooking power. It uses some durable stainless steel burners that are designed to provide many years of service, and it also has a sear burner for more cooking versatility. Also, its 1,435 square inches cooking space is larger than what you get from all the other models in our hybrid grills review. And this means that this will be the best grill for you if you want to cook a lot of food or host a large group. This grill also uses porcelain-coated cast iron grates that provide even heat distribution and are quick and easy to clean. Moving it around is easy thanks to its 4 locking casters. Although it is our second priciest grill, what you pay for it is a bargain given the performance and large cooking surface that it will offer. And as always, the link is in the description below. Next up is CharBroil Deluxe 1010. CharBroil is a top brand that you can trust to have the best combination hybrid grill for you, and their 48,000 BTUs 1010 model is one of their best options for cooking for small and medium-sized groups. This hybrid grill has a cooking surface of 505 square inches that will be enough space for cooking for a regular family. The grill has 2 separate chambers for the charcoal and gas grills and extra side burners for increased cooking versatility. Also, this grill uses porcelain-coated grates to ensure a more even heat distribution, and they are highly durable and easy to clean. For the charcoal chamber, there is also a crank-adjustable height grate for easy temperature control and a slide-out ash pan that will make ash management and cleanup easy. While the assembly instructions are a little wanting, setting up this grill is fairly easy and there are lots of helpful videos online. Next grills in the list is Dynaglow DGB 730S NBD kit. With the commercial-grade stainless steel burners on the Dynaglow DGB 730S NBD, you can always be confident of an ultimate heating performance and long-lasting service. Also, it has some heavy-duty porcelain enameled grates that help to make it one of the best dual-fuel grills out there, as they provide great heat retention and are highly durable and easy to clean. Heat control is quite easy even when charcoal grilling thanks to the convenient charcoal tray adjustment system. For gas grilling, you get quick and reliable ignition thanks to the electronic pulse ignition system. There is also a lot of storage space on the grill, and it will provide a lot of room for preparing your food when grilling. Although the 24,000 total BTU output makes the gas grill a little underpowered, it still has a lot of cooking power for all kinds of foods. The length assembly should also not be a deal breaker, as it is typical of most large dual-fuel grills. And as always, the link is in the description. Next up is CharBroil 463,370,516. Despite being one of the most affordable hybrid grills, CharBroil's gas to coal has the highest total BTU, as its burners will provide up to an impressive 52,000 BTUs. Besides the high BTU, this grill is also designed to offer quick and easy conversion to charcoal grilling, as it should only take 60 seconds. And you will never struggle to light the coals, as you can use the durable stainless steel burners to do it. Also, it comes with some top-notch quality porcelain-coated grates that are designed to be rust-resistant for maximum durability and are super easy to clean. This hybrid grill has reliable electronic ignition for the gas burners and lots of storage space that includes a side shelf and storage for the charcoal tray and propane tank. The 450 square inches of cooking space is the smallest in our list, but should still be more than enough for small families. The absence of an adjustable tray and air vents for temperature control does not seem to affect the charcoal grilling significantly. Again, the link is in the description. Last and the best hybrid grill in the list is CharGrill 5050. CharGrill 5050 provides the second largest cooking space in our gas and charcoal grill review. The 1,260 square inches of cooking space will be more than enough when cooking for small parties or a larger family. But besides having a larger cooking area, it also has a relatively higher total BTU of 40,800 to ensure you get more cooking power. It is designed for user convenience as the grates are height adjustable for easy temperature control, and it comes with an easy damp ash pan for simple cleanups. This hybrid grill has a cast gas side burner that provides extra cooking space and electronic ignition for easy firing up of the gas burners. Also, the porcelain-coated grates are designed to ensure excellent heat retention and easy cleanups, and the underneath shelves and condiment basket provide lots of storage space. Although the side burner is relatively weaker when compared to the others, it should still be good enough for its intended uses such as making sauces and side dishes which do not require a lot of heat. It's time to make the decision which one to get. Check the link in the description to check the price and get yours. If you like this video, please don't forget to subscribe and hit that like button blue. We'll see you in the next AdvisorBit video. Till then, have fun.